This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter from scratch. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 2 cups of roasted peanuts, which are the star of the show. A sturdy food processor or a high-speed blender is absolutely essential for this recipe. You might also want a pinch of salt, a touch of honey, or a little oil for customization. Now, let's get blending. Pour your roasted peanuts into the food processor. Start processing, and you'll notice the peanuts first turn into a crumbly meal. Keep blending, and after a few minutes, the natural oils will release, transforming the mixture into a thick, creamy butter. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides occasionally to ensure everything blends evenly. This is where you can truly make it your own. Once your peanut butter is smooth, taste it. If you like, add a small pinch of salt to really bring out the nutty flavor. For a sweeter spread, mix in a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. If you prefer a thinner, extra creamy consistency, a teaspoon or 2 of neutral oil, like vegetable or coconut, works wonders. Your delicious homemade peanut butter is ready. Transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh and wonderful at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or you can refrigerate it for even longer, though it might firm up a bit. Enjoy it on toast, in smoothies, or straight from the spoon. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for your meal prep, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.